We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up AXSM stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right-hand side is a bullish green candle. So we have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, also adding second level highs. Okay, let's see what's going on in the market. So we do know that on the monthly time frame, price action, the bullish green candle, coming from an area of support of that second level lows, so it came from a push. So also is a pattern below that area. So let's see what's happening. So price action is coming from that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once. So we are coming from a triple bottom, second last candle is a retest, and the price action is a push to the next level. So if we think about it like this, we have price action overall, higher highs, second level highs, and let's say we add a midpoint between those levels, we can see price action is already tagging that area. So price action can be rejected to come back down for a full retest, or we may identify that market is breaking out that SR line or retest to work its way up further, or we can receive that consolidation price action candle inside this current candle right now. If that market is going to work its way down, that's also coming from a pattern. Okay, so the pattern that's coming from is market broke that area. Okay, so market broke that SR line. It came back for a full retest. So we're looking for a pattern to see if we can see maybe a bearish red candle or a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images and we'll see that pattern drop down for that break retest and the market pushed. On the weekly time frame, price action, bullish green candle, okay, with a long wick down to the bottom of that support. So this is identifying this market can push up further. So we're going to see if that market's going to continue a continuation with bullish green candles working its way up and finally get the break and retest, or consolidation, or if we do receive that rejection, to see what pattern is going to form here that can drop that market down to at least the midpoint of the area, or all the way back down to the previous areas of lows. On the daily time frame, we have price action as a bullish green candle, so price is sitting up there. We can see that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, market pushed up, came back for a full retest, and the market pushed up once. Okay, so still waiting to see what's going on happening in that area. Let's also add another midpoint between the two SR lines, see what's really going on. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price action as a small bullish green candle. The second one is a bigger bullish green candle, but long wicks up to the top side and a little bit of wick up to the bottom side. So what happens with that market is that the second last candle has spiked up to the high price action, like it came back for a retest. So it's just sitting on that level to see if it's going to respect this area of support to push up. If so, market's coming from a break and retest of that area. Now, if that market does come down, we are looking for a bearish red candle to engulf this area of price action to push that market down previously. But what the market is reading in that area is the market spiked up once, price action spiked up near the area. So that's two pushes to that top. So that's identifying a double top in that area. So we're still waiting to see what's going on. Maybe we could identify that on a 3-hour time frame. Price action on a 3-hour time frame is a bullish green doji. Second last candle is a bullish green cross. Third to last candle is a bullish green candle. So what's happening in that market on the 3-hour time frame, price action has pushed up with the third to last candle. Second last candle came back to retest, and price action pushed just back into that area of that midpoint. Okay, so altogether, this was also reading a pattern of what? Market spiked up once, twice, 3 times, that's a triple top or a double top, and this could be the retest. If we receive a pattern here, close out, market can come back down to at least the midpoint of that doji. If something closed out below that doji, market can make it all the way back down to that SR line that we did create on the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame. On the 2-hour time frame, price action, bullish green doji. Okay, second last candle, bullish green candle. Third last candle, bullish green candle with long wick up to the top. That's the third last candle and fourth last candle. So what's happening with the third last candle and the fourth is that fourth last candle spiked up once, third last candle did the same thing. So it both in the same areas, wasn't able to break. Price action spiked up just a little bit, and second last candle spiked up again to go back into that push of that area, and then the price action came back to retest. So that's respected. We're looking for a pattern to push that market up. If not, still looking for a pattern that can drop that market down to at least the midpoint of that between those SR lines. On the 1-hour time frame, now we're starting to see structure. So we have an incline here, so coming down in red, first leg, second leg, third leg, and price second, third last candles pushing up for that fourth leg. So overall, if we do receive that rejection, check it out like this: first push, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. The market doesn't break, identifies a candle coming down, coming from a triple top of that area. Also, we just connected the top of that resistance and the bottom of that incline. So we are in a wedge pattern on the 1-hour time frame. On the 45-minute time frame, still reading the same thing. $30-minute candle, still reading the same thing. So we're looking for price to break out that SR line and see if it's going to break out further to the next following SR line. So it's trying to break out that wedge. Once it can break out that wedge, it's headed up to that midpoint of the SR line. If not, like I said before, it'll get rejected and come down. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame, still reading the same thing. Price second, third last candle, at least price in second. Dojis in the market, starting to see a little bit of support. So price action on the 15-minute time frame is coming from a W. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Okay, retest with this candle here and market pushed up. Could be a double, could identify some type of double bottom, a triple bottom. Probably see that on the 1-minute time frame of 3. So here we go once again. First, second, third, fourth, retest 1. And then market consolidated within this area. Okay, and also doing a pattern of a break. So we have a first, second, third, fourth. Price actions to retest or receive another pattern. That's like a bullish green candle. Market can push up out of that. So first, second, third, fourth, retest 1. So that'll be the first push if it breaks out this wedge pattern. On a 3-minute time frame, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, same thing. We just got additional candles for a 3-minute time frame. So market just pushed up for that fourth leg, and so it's just retesting multiple times, still looking for something to engulf the price second or third last candle to push that market up in the direction up or down. On the 1-minute time frame, starting to receive a little bit of structure here. So let's say this market is going to come back for a full retest to come back down to touch that SR line. We can see that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, the market comes down for that fourth. So it's like a double top, maybe a triple top if the market keeps on moving. Okay, if that market is respected, so we did receive that break of that area. This is the retest coming down. So it's a first leg, second leg, third leg. Okay, support at that midpoint. Market can push up for that incline W. Okay, so it's sitting at a midpoint so of that wedge. So it's a reverse wedge of the previous time frame that we was on. Very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Click on the images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. AXSM stock.